Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can enable zoom and pan on MX Player. So let's get started. Firstly, open MX Player app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next tap on settings. After that, tap on player. Next tap on controls. Next you can see the option of zoom and pan. Click on it by tapping on it. Next tap on OK. So this is how you can enable zoom and pan on MX Player. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.